Okay, everyone do rise up, rise up. I'm swamped right now. I'm literally doing refis for people who call me and say, Brian, should I refi? And I check it out and he's like, yeah, you should. Or no, you shouldn't. Put some of these numbers in context. There was somebody today, he reached out to me, good credit, property's worth $600,000, they owe $300,000. What can you refi me into? It could do a rate and term refinance, 3.5%, no points. They want to do cash out, 3.625, no points. These are amazing rates, guys. Now's the time. The time is now. Today's episode, I'm going to cover two topics. Number one is a call to action. And number two is an update on mortgage rates the last couple weeks. Every man, woman, and child, I want you to stand up. I want you to get to your feet. I want you to grab your mortgage statement. If it has a 4 on it, I want you to contact me. If you have any unwanted debt, I want you to contact me. I'm talking student loans, auto loans, credit cards. That's a reason to give me a call. If you have mortgage insurance on your mortgage, we've had appreciation. I want you to give me a call. Now's the time. It's a great time to have a second look. If it doesn't make sense to refi, I'll be the first one to tell you. However, you're going to then have another set of eyes looking for you, and I can set alerts. When it does make sense, I can reach out to you. One less thing on your plate, but now's the time. Contact me to get started. I have a refi going for a friend right now. The question my friend asked was, look, I'm 1 year into this mortgage. Like, I really don't want to start a new 30 years. So we could still do a 30-year loan, continue to make the same payment you're making now. How much are you making now? He was actually paying an extra $150 a month. Now, if they stick to that same payment and do a refi, their house is going to be paid off in 22 years. So it's a 30-year mortgage, but it's going to be paid off in 22 years if they keep making the same payment they're making now. So don't let that be something that holds you back, where you say, I don't want to start a new 30 years. Now, if your goal is to build wealth, to maximize your wealth, there might be better things you can do with that money. But if your goal is, like I said, pay off your house, refi, keep making the same payment, keep making the same payment, up to payment. I'm glad he asked because I know that holds people back. Next, I wanted to give an update on the current mortgage market. Big news is that on July 31st, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points. Now, that was a very well telegraphed cut. So at the moment that that cut was announced, there was very little to no movement in mortgage rates. After the cut, there was a press conference. In the press conference, traders expected the Fed to say, or Jerome Powell to say, this is going to be the start of several cuts. But he didn't say that. What he said was that this is a mid-course correction. This is sort of like one cut, and we're gonna observe and see what happens. So at the time of the press conference, mortgage interest rates actually started to go up because the market was expecting maybe 3 cuts this year, and there was possibility that maybe there would only be 1. Next, President Trump escalated the trade dispute with China, and that overpowered anything that Chairman Powell would have said. So the stock market sold off, the bond market rallied, interest rates got better. Don't look at your 401k. And then just today, President Trump announced that some of the tariffs will be delayed, and so now the market's giving back some of those gains and interest rates are starting to move higher once again. So in closing, just wanted to say, rates are low right now. It's a great time to refinance. And I can't say they're going to continue to go lower, or this is a low, they're going to move back up. I don't know, but I do know that right now rates are really low, and it'd be a great time to connect with a loan officer to make sure you're in the best loan possible. The time is now. If you're not in California, call your mortgage person. If you're in California, you already have a mortgage person, call them. You don't like them, call me. But the time is now. Let's get going. So I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day. I need everyone to rise up. Rise up if you have a 4.